What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Quick, for today's video we are going to be doing some painting and prep on the RSX EC5. We're going to be painting the hood cowl. We are going to also be painting the front part of the grill where the H emblem is, because they are faded and they are pretty bad. And I already bought paint, trim paint from Napa Auto Parts, black trim paint. So I'll take you guys to the steps. I'll take you guys to the prep, to the cleaning and painting it. I don't know much about paint. I talked to Brian from Paint Society. He told me what are the stuff to get and how to do it, but nonetheless I don't have a shop, so I guess like the process will be more like a little DIY home, you know, and I'll probably skip a few steps here and there, but that's just me because I don't know how to paint. So I'm trying to do it as best as I can, and I think we'll have a good results at the end of the video. So hopefully it will be pretty good. So tag along. I'll see you guys now. Let's get to it. So I was talking to Brian from Paint Society, and this is going to be the paint and body scuff pad that we're going to be using. This is the actual paint that I picked up from Napa. As you guys can see there, trim black paint, trim black paint in English and Spanish in the bottom. So this is how it looks. You can see the discoloration here on the panel. So we're going to start hitting it with the scuff pad, start sanding it down, and then get it ready for paint. Still got to clean it up a little bit more. Okay, so I already prepped it with alcohol. I gave it, let me show you guys the alcohol. This is the alcohol I use, just the 91%. Prepped it with a wipe. And we're gonna start hitting it. I used a bunch of envelopes, old envelopes I had that don't even open up anymore, or they're pretty much worthless. So just kind of tie them down there, give it a few swipes, and make it look brand new. It's kind of a little DIY project just to do at home. If you guys need it to fix the trims, this is it right here. That's the paint. You guys can get it at Napa. So let's go ahead, do a time lapse, and start painting it. Alright, so that's pretty much the first coat right here on this panel right here. We're gonna wait and let it dry for about 15-20 minutes. We're gonna come back and hit it with a second coat, and then we'll start prepping that one for the other side, and start prepping it in order to put it back in the car. Give it about 15-20 minutes between coats. All right, so that side second coat, this side first coat, but you can see already, well, it needs a second one, but you can see the difference. Like, look at this one, brand spanking new. This came out fresh. And that's a small DIY you can do at home for your trims. So that's as good as it gets, man. I'm gonna hit this one, hit it with a second coat. Alright, so pretty much prepped it with the tape. Used the same envelopes, covered it up, and then just sprayed it. Put a little bit of towel in the back just so it won't get any overspray there on the condensator. But anyways, it's black, so it really doesn't matter. But we covered it up pretty good, and that's the first coat. We'll come back to the second one.